Hi everyone, let's see how we can easily, very quickly, in just a couple of seconds, create multi-page forms or turn your single page form into a multi-page form using the pager element. So here I have a test form that I created in my Salesforce org. I am in BreezyBit Form Builder application. And on the left side, as you see, we have the form elements section here. And here I have the pager element. So imagine this is a very long form, and if I want to divide this into multiple pages, I can just drag the pager element wherever I want to, create a new page. Let's say after the account type, I want to, create a second page. This is a one-page form right now, but I added the pager element here. So this part is going to be the first page. This part is going to be the second page. I don't need to do anything else actually. I can just save my form. And if I go to my form here, and it's a one-page form, but if I just refresh the page, as you see right now, I see not the submit button, but the next button because this is a multi-page form. If I click on next, it won't let me do it because account name is a required field. If I click on next right now, as you see, I don't see anything on my second page here. It's because actually there was a conditional visibility filter set, I believe, using the account name. If the account name is Hakan, the whole group element is going to be visible. So using the pager elements on your BreezyBit forms, you can create multi-page forms. You can add also visibility filters, using that too. But it's this easy to create multi-page forms. And again, if this is a very long form, you can create forms, multi-page forms actually, with multiple pages, like this one, for example. This is a very long one using visuals, your branding color, texts. You can create this like a document as well. And when you click on the next page, add new, many different sections, groups, and this could be a 10-page, for example, form, and it shows you which page you are on as well. And we have a save for later feature too. I will create a video for this specifically too. But this is how really, again, easily, quickly you can create a multi-page form or a survey in BreezyBit in your Salesforce org natively. So see you in the next video. Thanks for listening.